This is a Power BI report which shows how bookmarks can be used to build an immersive data story with the SandDance custom visual. In this example, we start with a group of 2,000 people with a known prevalence of a particular disease and a therapeutic test for the disease which has a known specificity and sensitivity. By moving through a series of bookmarks, we can use animated transitions to maintain context and add text to describe each view of the data. Ultimately, we see how the number of positive and negative results for people with and without the disease can be presented as a confusion matrix. This allows us to answer the question of how likely an individual in the sample group is to have the disease given a positive test result. The combination of Power BI bookmarks and animated transitions in SandDance allows us to significantly enhance the storytelling capabilities of Power BI reports when using the SandDance custom visual.